As you can see, we've put seat mounts in, put handbrake mountings in. I cheated and I used the seats to make sure everything was bang on and lined up, so see, I don't want to paint everything and find out brackets are in the wrong place. Everything lines up great, it's back to how it was, handbrake mountings in. Fully complete on passenger side. A and B's fully completed on driver's side. Moved on to the boot floor now, cut the boot floor out. Obviously we're back to the floor, but on the underside we've still got, see this plate down here for the seatbelt. Needs drilling, but that one's fixing from underneath. There's a few studs and the battery cable runner, two going on the floor underneath. But I'll do that one, turn the car over. So we've got the boat out now. Now a quick try in the boot floor. So I'll give it a trial fit, mark up where I want drilling, clean the paint off, put some well through primer on and get the boot floor in next. It's the first attempt on putting the boot floor in. You can see, slot straight in. Number of heritage panels there. Makes it a nice easy job for me though. I've just got to mark up where I'll be cleaning the paint off to weld to. Get it drilled and prepared and put in. And we'll have the little inserts which go in over there, and then I can put this front panel back in where the speakers are sighted, but I think it's a bit more use than just sighting speakers. That's prepared and ready over there to go back in. I remember what a cabbie looks like on the flooring. It's been a while. You'll see the two little closing plates, which are these, which also allow the cabling to run through, wiring loop run through from front to rear. Go in there like so, and same on that side, but I'll see the opposite way around. This whole cable run through the channel under the driver's seat. It's a channel cut into this backboard here, runs through the backboard, up, out through this hole in the bracket here, and off into the rear quarter to the back. Same on that side. Yeah, I'll update when I've done a bit more, I suppose.